How to add and pair EG Touch commercial app. First, launch the EG Touch commercial app on your phone. Select the Add Lock button. Select your lock's model. Turn on the lock by pressing the power button in the middle of the lock. If you are adding the new lock for the very first time, the lock will be added automatically to your dashboard. Pair it to your padlock and you will be asked to update the primary password in the lock's name. Press the OK button, then update your lock's name and press the Submit button. Next, update your lock's primary password. Then press the Submit button. Note, keep your primary password safe and do not share with others. Press the OK button. Your lock is now activated and initialized with your own primary password. If you are asked to enter your primary password when adding the lock, you are adding an active, in other words pre-owned, lock. If you are the owner and has the primary password, you may proceed. Adding the lock with primary password gives the administrative access. Do not add the lock to other devices or use your account if you are only granting user access. Use the Grant Access function instead. Thank you for supporting EG Touch.